Understanding wind patterns. A guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the term wind pattern and understand what it means in the context of weather and geography. Wind patterns are an important part of our climate system, and knowing about them can help us make sense of the weather reports and even some expressions in the English language. Wind patterns refer to the general movement of air across the Earth's surface. Winds can blow from all directions: north, south, east, and west. These patterns can be influenced by a variety of factors, including the rotation of the Earth, geographical features, and temperature differences. When we talk about wind patterns, we're often discussing prevailing winds. These are winds that blow predominantly from a single general direction over a particular point on the Earth's surface. Several factors affect how wind patterns are formed and changed. The Coriolis effect. This is a phenomenon caused by the Earth's rotation, which makes winds curve to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. Geography. Mountains, valleys, and oceans can all influence local wind patterns, creating unique weather conditions in different regions. Temperature. Warm air rises and cold air sinks. This movement can create wind as air moves to replace the rising warm air. Understanding wind patterns is crucial for various reasons. Weather prediction. Wind patterns help meteorologists predict weather changes and phenomena like storms or heat waves. Navigation. For centuries, sailors have used knowledge of wind patterns to navigate the seas. Ecosystems. Wind patterns affect bird migration, seed dispersal, and even the climate of different regions. Let's take a look at some specific wind patterns that have a big impact on global weather. Trade winds. These are steady, warm winds that blow towards the equator and are very consistent in direction. Westerlies. Found in the middle latitudes. These winds blow from the west to the east and influence the weather in many temperate regions. Polar easterlies. These are cold, dry winds blowing away from the poles and are least consistent due to fluctuations in the polar environments. I hope this video has illuminated the concept of wind patterns for you. Remember, whether you're planning a trip, looking at the weather, or simply curious about the natural world, understanding wind patterns is a valuable part of learning English and appreciating the planet we live on. See you in the next video.